Happy Sunday, beautiful people. I pray all is well with you, your family, and your business. What an amazing day today. I am truly grateful for today, and I hope you are too. Remember what I say, the things you take for granted, someone else is praying for. Please stay in gratitude. And also, there are people with less than what you have that are happier. I'm not telling you to settle for less, I'm using that as an example. I love you guys. Guys, today I slept in, I woke up, I gave myself a spa treatment, deep conditioning, manicure, pedicure. I was able to journal more today because I had all day. I meditate, I did some yoga, and I connected and I grounded myself spiritually. It is so important to take care of yourself. Self care is extremely, extremely important. Being at peace will have your skin glowing, your life glowing. So please, please take time for yourself. So my message for you today, not only that, I just wanted to share with you guys. I went ahead in my journal and I wrote how I can make my week, this upcoming week, better than it was last week for myself. What can I do to improve myself? Remember, accountability, putting in the work, and self-care and self-love is extremely important. Stay focused. My message for you today, I am my favorite muse, pouring into myself daily. And I hope you are too. Love you guys.